This is the site of a boy beagle and a girl beagle about to receive Christmas toys. These are the toys. Whoopsie daisy. The kitty, and a hedgehoggy thing. Come on. Steve is out of his mind. Isabel. Oh, ouch. Steve. Isabel. Get it, girl. What you're hearing in the background is Footloose, that Academy Award-winning masterpiece. As you can see, Isabel's already working to destroy the strange little tab on top. I'm not sure what that's supposed to be for. Alright, she has successfully worked it off. Cheeseburger. Cheeseburger's in love with the hedgehog. These both have squeakers, which they haven't squeaked yet. And they probably won't have squeakers by the time you see this. What a friend we have in beagles. Wait, that's not the way it goes. I just noticed that this cat is wearing panties, apparently. This is for Mommy, Isabel. Can you say I love you, Mommy? I love you, Mommy? Mommy? Oh my God. Stevie? Steve? Look at me. Look at me, Steve. 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 This is for Mommy, Steve. Oh God. Look at that. He's already like gotten an ear off or something. Oh, excuse me, an arm. A hedgehog arm. Merry Christmas, Mommy.